My name is Madhukar. I have taken up the dealership recently in November 2009. Before that, I was part of the Mahindra and Mahindra family. Thanks to Mr. Goyal and Mr. Venkat, who, when I told them and when I approached them that I want to get back to Bangalore, they were kind enough to give me the dealership. And I'm here to talk about relationship marketing, relationship marketing has been my key focus and my key business development, where my entire business, I can say, has come through relationship selling and relationship marketing. So that's been an achievement for me. Basically, customer satisfaction is what we look at. There are a lot of sequences of actions that help in satisfying a customer. The actions are like identification of the customer needs, which is very critical. Then satisfying his needs. Giving timely service to him is very important, and providing a value add along with the basic services. Value add doesn't mean anything in quantity or quality. It is only on your communication and how you interact and maintain the interaction as a positive interaction. What are the positive experiences usually should do? We greeted the customer in a very warm manner, made the customer feel valued and important, listened actively to the customer. We're willing to help him with any kinds of problems. It may not be in respect to our industry alone. Any other, this one's try to help, do some research, find out, and see if you can support him. You also understand his needs and the requirements. Just that most of the customers call us saying that I want an X kVA of DG. So most of us, what we do is we go and we say, yes, this is the kVA you want. We don't ask him any questions, we just give him the quote and come. Let's not do it. Let's study his requirements, see what is the correct rating. If the rating and the requirement is a lower kVA, project that to him. He will feel very, very happy. But most important thing is also think of his future. Talk to him about his future, machinery, equipment and all that. And then you go ahead and place the right DG to him. But don't give any false promises to the customer. That is a very critical aspect. And what would be his expectations? It's basically respect, recognition, help, comfort. You have to give him compassion and support, make him feel important. You have to listen to him with empathy. And you have to build the trust and trustworthiness in the customer. Give him a product with a fair price in a very warm and friendly atmosphere. What is a moment of truth? It is an opportunity to form an impression when a customer comes in contact with many facets of an organization. It could be negative or positive impression. This leads to customer delight. So customer delight is when the experience of dealing with the customer goes beyond the expectations of the customer. You bring a joy to all. When there's a wow factor created with every moment of truth. I wouldn't want to get into more details of it. I would just go in through the slides because of the time factor, which is here. You can just go through the slides. Rapport building is again an important factor. How we build a rapport with the customer. We smile, we listen, we use positive words, we're professional, and we have to learn the art of empathizing with the customer, which is very, very critical. Last but not the least, never give up on a customer even if a business opportunity is lost. I've experienced this in my total 22 years of marketing and sales experience. I keep in touch with the customer even if an order is lost. And I have been positively getting responses from them, getting references from them, and converting them into orders.